Welcome to all dear student. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. In this video, we learn adding and subtracting negative numbers. Watch the full video. I will explain these questions in such an easy way that you will never forget them. Now let's start the lecture. First of all, if we add negative numbers, then we remember some simple sign rules. First rule, same sign, add the numbers and keep the same sign. Rule number 1, same sign. For example, we have -5 plus -3. So we have same sign, -5 and -3. Then we add the numbers. So we add 5 and 3, which is equal to 8. Keep the same sign. So we have same sign is minus, then we keep minus sign. So our answer is -8. Next example, +6 plus 8. So we add these two numbers, 6 plus 8, which is equal to 14. So we keep the same sign, plus. Our second rule, different sign, subtract the numbers. Different sign means one sign is plus and other is minus. So we have different sign, then we subtract the numbers. Keep sign of bigger number. For example, we have +6 -4. So we have different sign. Then we subtract 6 -4, which is equal to 2. So keep the sign bigger number. So we have bigger number +6. So our sign is +2. Next example, -7 -3. Both have same sign. Then here is both sign same, -7 -3. Then we add, so here is 10 and keep the sign bigger. So we have -7, then our answer is -10. If we have different sign, for example, in example 3, we take -4 plus 3. So we have different sign, -4 plus 3. Then we subtract 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1, and keep the sign of bigger number. So we have bigger number -4. Then our answer is -1. I hope you understand all these examples. Rule 3, subtracting negative becomes adding. If you see 2 minus sign, then turn into a plus. For example, we have 5 minus into -3. So we have 2 minus sign, then we turn into plus, minus minus plus. So 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Now in second example, we have -5 minus into -8. Then minus minus turn into plus. So we have -5 plus 8. Both have different sign. If we have different sign, then we subtract these two numbers, 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3, and keep the sign of bigger number. So we have bigger number 8. So our final answer is plus 3. Now very easy tips for student. Keep in mind, same sign, add and keep the sign. Same sign, add the numbers, keep the sign. Different sign, subtract and take sign of bigger number. Different sign, subtract. Subtract the numbers and take sign of bigger number. And last tip, minus and minus. Minus minus plus. So we plus or add the numbers. Now we solve some questions. Work out the following. Our first question, 5 minus 9. So here we have plus 5 minus 9. So both have different sign. Then we subtract the numbers. 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. We keep the sign of bigger number. So we have bigger number 9. So sign is negative. So we write here minus 4. Now our next question, minus 7 plus 4. Both have different sign. So we subtract 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3, and keep the sign of bigger number. So we have minus 7, then our answer is minus 3. Next question, minus 8 minus 10. Both have same sign. If we have same sign, then add the numbers. So 8 plus 10, which is equal to 18, and keep the sign of bigger number. So we have minus 18. We have bigger number minus 10. So we write here minus 18. Now our next question, 7 minus into minus 9. So we solve first of all bracket. If we see both negative sign, minus minus, so minus minus, which is equal to plus. Now 7 plus 9, which is equal to 16. So this is our final answer. Now our next question, minus 5 minus into minus 12. So first of all, minus minus plus, minus 5 as it is, minus minus plus 12. Now both have different sign, minus 5 and minus 12. So we subtract these two numbers, 12 minus 5, which is equal to 7. Now keep the sign of bigger number. So we have bigger number 12. Then we write here plus 7. Now our next question, 6. So we have minus 5 plus 8. Now both have different sign. So we add these two numbers. No, we subtract these two numbers because both numbers have different sign. So we subtract 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. We keep the sign of bigger number. So we have 8. Then our final answer is plus 3. Now our next question, minus 1 minus 5. If both numbers have same sign, then we add. So minus 5 minus 1. 5 plus 1 which is equal to 6 and keep the sign of bigger number. So our final answer is minus 6. Now in next question, 8 minus 4 plus into minus 1. So both numbers have same sign, then we add. For example, minus 4 plus minus minus 1. Now we have both numbers same sign, then we add 4 and 1 which is equal to 5 and keep the sign of bigger number which is minus 4. So we have minus 5, our final answer. Now our next question, 4 minus and minus 3. So here is minus minus, so minus minus plus 3. Now we add these two numbers, 4 plus 3 which is equal to 7. Now our next question and last question of this video, minus 10 plus 23. So both have different sign. Then we subtract these two numbers, 23 minus 10 which is equal to 13 and keep the sign of bigger number which is 23. So our final answer is plus 13. I hope everything is clear so far and you are understanding these questions easily. Thanks for your attention. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.